Hello friends, today we are going to study about the types of SEO. The type of SEO, that is black hat and white hat video, is already uploaded on this channel. Today we are going to study about the different types of SEOs, that are on page SEO, off page SEO and technical SEO. But before that we should understand what is SEO exactly. So if you want to understand whether your website is going to be doing a business or it should be ranked on the top, so for that particular thing you should know about how the SEO works and how it helps us to rank our website on the top. So is your website visible on Google with keywords important to your business, and does your website differ from your competitors? So even that is a major thing. Your keyword is very much mandatory in this particular case because your SEO always works on the keyword. You should make sure that you have the keyword which is related to your business in your particular website. So today it is very essential to work out its positioning, to stand out from your competitors and gain market and share and develop your sales. So as the competition is increasing, the competitors are more in the market, so it is very necessary that you use and you apply a proper strategy. So in short, SEO is used to rank your website at the top. If you use a proper keyword, then definitely that particular keyword will help you to rank your particular website at the top. So SEO is to optimize a site to rank it most favorably in the natural results of the search engine. There is no manipulation, there is no paid type of any work done, there are no sponsorships, there are no advertisement. This is total natural process and the original results are being shown by the search engine. So, SEO stands for search engine optimization, which is the practice of increasing the quantity and the quality of traffic to your website through the organic search engine result. So, you always get a quality traffic. Based on the content of your website, you get the best and most traffic of the users. SEO strategies to generate traffics are, so basically you have so many websites, but to gain the traffic to your particular website, there are number of ways that the SEO can approach to generate the traffic to your website. So what are that ways? That are on page SEO, off page SEO and technical SEO. So the entire SEO works only on keyword. If the keyword are being used in the content of the website, then and then only that website may rank in the top 10 or 20 search results. So there are three types of SEO: on page SEO, off page and technical. So on page SEO works like a content optimization, off page SEO works like an website promotion, and technical SEO has the points like crawling and indexing. Now we'll study first on page SEO. On page is the practice of optimizing the individual web page in order to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic in the search engine. So always it optimizes your individual web page and it makes sure that your website gets the higher rank and you get a large amount of traffic for your particular website. On page refers to both the content and HTML source code of the page that can be optimized, as opposed to off page SEO, which refers to link and other external signals. So on page always focuses on the content which is present in your website and whatever is the source code available behind your website. So whenever you have a website, you can only read the things which are shown to you, but if you right click on that particular web page, then you have to select the source code option. So after selecting it, you can see there is a code which is written in HTML. So it is totally a code how the website is designed. So that is how you can view the source code of your particular website. So anything which is written in the HTML code is called as your on-page SEO. Whatever is written in those tags, that things are being displayed to you on the web page. Anything between two sets of tag is something that could get put on the page for a person to read. The text inside the tags tells the browser to search engines how to re-enter the information between the tags. The reason it is called on page SEO is that these changes are visible only to the readers. So whatever you write in the HTML tag, if you run that program, you get the output on the browser. Similarly, each and every website has its source code, how that particular website is designed. Whatever changes you do, that changes will be highlighted on your web page. So it is a balance between giving the right information to the search engine without compromising the information that your customers are reading on the page. So always you can give a right information to the search engine, and the same thing you can display to your customers, those who are visiting your web page regularly. So this is all about on page SEO. Now the next type is technical SEO. So technical SEO refers to the improving the technical ranking of your website. Any type of technical issue will make your particular website to go back or to get a lower rank. So in order to increase the ranking of the page in the search engine, making a website faster, easier to crawl and understandable to the search engine are the three pillars of the technical optimization. So always you have to focus that your website should be faster. It should not take a lot of time to load the pages. Easy to crawl means your keyword should be very precise, that the search engine can easily crawl your website and find out the keywords very fast, and understandable for search engine. The keyword should be very highlighted and it should be appropriate to your website's content. So technical SEO is part of on-page SEO only, but it focuses on your website to get higher ranking. So it is similar to your on-page SEO, but it focuses more so that you can get more rankings. It's the opposite of off-page SEO, which is about generating exposure for a website through other channels. So technical SEO is totally opposite to your off-page SEO. So technical SEO is also an important step in the whole search engine optimization process. If there are problems with your technical SEO, then it is likely that your SEO efforts will not generate the expected result. So they have given us two examples, like if your site speed is very low, then people don't like to wait on a very slow website. So definitely they will visit some other website. So if your page is loading very slowly, then definitely your website will be ranked lower. And if someone's website is having a good speed, their pages are loading very fast, then that particular website will be given a higher rank. And the another example is mobile friendliness. If your site looks bad on the mobile devices, search engine can detect that also, and it can lower its ranking on mobile specific search engine. So you know that there are various apps which work comfortably on laptops and on mobile also. So if there is a particular app which is working good on laptops but it is not working good on mobile, then definitely in the case of mobile specific search engine, your particular app will be ranked at the lower place because it does not look good on mobile phones. So this is about technical SEO. Now we'll come to the last type, that is off-page SEO. It goes deeper than that. For example, brands mentioned your site URL or brand name mentioned on other site without a hyperlink are an integral aspects of off-page search signals. As smart bloggers and content marketers, we usually start with on-page SEO. But we don't stop there because, to a large extent, the things that matter to Google often happen away from your website. So these are the works, that is the off-page SEO. They are totally dependent on the backend work. You cannot see those things or the contents on your particular websites. So off-page SEO is about everything that doesn't happen directly on your website. A user cannot see the things of off-page SEO on the website. Off-page SEO is about, among other things, link building, social media, and local SEO. If your particular website has tremendous links inside it, or if your particular website is linked to some other website, if you are connected, your website is connected to other social medias like Instagram, Facebook. So these are the things, or these are the interconnectivity which comes under off-page SEO, which are not visible directly, but they are present at the back end. It allows generating traffic to your website. So because of this connectivity or backlinks, you get a good connectivity, and because of that there is large amount of traffic generated due to off-page SEO. So off-page SEO has video submissions, articles, bookmarking, blogs posting, ebook creation, classified ads, directory submissions. So these are all the things which are included in off-page SEO. So this was all about the types of SEO regarding on-page SEO, technical SEO, and off-page SEO. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.